Copying an FBA inbound shipment lets you create or update a PO for items that the vendor will ship directly to your warehouse. After you receive the items from that vendor, you will ship them to the Amazon Fulfillment Center. From the FBA inbound shipment page, click the action icon and search for Sync to PO. From here, you can choose to copy to a new or existing PO. Let's copy to a new PO first. Choose the Copy to New PO option and click Next. Create a new PO by entering a name and choosing a vendor. When ready, click Next. Review your quantity for the PO and click Finish. A success notification will appear. You will now see the new PO right on the FBA shipment. Clicking on the new PO number will open the PO details. From there, you can view the FBA number and item summary. Copying an FBA inbound shipment to an existing PO is even easier. After choosing Sync to PO, again from the Action menu, click Copy to Existing PO and input the PO number. You have the option to see that PO before copying it by clicking on the Go to Selected PO button. Click Next when you've selected the correct PO. Review the quantity for PO and then click Finish. A success notification will appear. Your updated PO number is available to view right on the shipment page. Click the PO number to view your PO details, including the FBA shipment number and an updated item summary. Copying FBA shipments to purchase orders is so simple with Sellercloud. You also have the option to disassociate FBA inbound shipments from related POs. When you disassociate a shipment, you unlink or uncopy a shipment from a PO. From the FBA inbound shipment, click in the Action menu. The pop-up tab shows the PO and shipment IDs and the relation type. Click on Disassociate. It's that simple with Sellercloud. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to receive the latest updates and information. Contact us today to speak to a representative.